Hello beginners, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn the names of some domestic animals in English. Are you ready to meet some friendly animals that live around us? Okay, first up we have the ox. We have the ox. The ox is a strong animal and is often used on farms to help with heavy work. Can you say it with me? Ox. Next is the horse. Next is the horse. Horses are known for their speed and strength. People often ride them and they are very friendly. Let's say it together. Horse. Look at this cute little friend. It's a cat. Cats are small, playful, and they make great pets. Say it with me. Cat. This big animal is called a buffalo. Buffaloes give us milk just like cows. They are very helpful on farms. Repeat after me. Buffalo. Here is a floppy sheep. Here is a floppy sheep. Sheep have a soft wool and we use their wool to make warm clothes. Let's say it together. Sheep. This little animal is a rabbit. Rabbits are cute and love to hop around. Say it with me. Rabbit. Next, we have the camel. Next, we have the camel. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they can live in hot, sandy places. Repeat after me. Camel. This is a donkey. Donkeys are very strong and help us carry heavy loads. Let's say it together. Donkey. Now meet the goat. Goats are gentle animals and give us milk and cheese. Say it with me. Goat. Here is a dog. Dogs are loyal and are known as man's best friend. They love to play and protect us. Repeat after me. Dog. And last but not least, we have the cow. Cow. Cows are very special animals that give us milk which is healthy and tasty. Let's say it together. Cow. Great job. Today we learned the names of some common domestic animals. Let's do a quick recap. Ox, ox. Horse, horse. Cat, cat. Buffalo, buffalo. Sheep, sheep. Rabbit, rabbit. Camel, camel. Donkey, donkey. Goat, goat. Dog, dog. Cow, cow. We learned about the ox, horse, cat, buffalo, sheep, rabbit, camel, donkey, goat, dog, and cow. Well done. Remember, practicing these names will help you improve your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun English learning videos. See you next time. Thank you.